Well, we had a clipper system from last night and then again from earlier today. Some lighter snowfall amounts. We did see a little bit more of the heavier concentrated snow near the straits from last night. Now we're going to be talking about this cold front moving through, and behind it, much colder air mass, some stronger winds. And if you look very closely, you do even see a few lightning strikes. So we actually do have some thunder snow out there, pretty much meaning we have a lot of instability in the atmosphere. And that's a signal to me telling me that we're going to be talking about at least some moderate to probably some heavier snow within what we call some of these snow squalls that will continue to move into our direction over these next few hours with that system. So because of that, the stronger winds, low visibility, and that chance for some of the moderate to heavy snow, that's still a reason why we're holding on to these winter weather alerts. Now in the pink again, pretty much west of US 127, you're talking about the winter storm warnings. In the purple, we talk about the winter weather advisories. Those are going to take us at least throughout the daytime hours of our Thursday, and we're really concentrating our weather alert going into western lower, primarily for the snow belts, because now we're going to be talking a little bit more about that lake effect scenario kicking back in with these northwest gusty winds later tonight, and then again even getting into our Thursday morning. So low visibility. We're also talking about the chance possibly because of those stronger winds for a few power outages as well. So let's run you through the model as we're going later into the evening hours. 8 o'clock, here comes that good swath of some snow. We're pretty much talking about that right now. And then behind it, notice the wind direction. That's mainly going to be right out of the north and from the west. So that's another good swath of some snow right there out the door early on for the morning commutes as we get you out the door in a Thursday morning. And then even still, plenty of lake effect, mainly again west of US 127 as we take you right there into your Thursday afternoon. Still some really good bands with this very strong wind we talk about for a good majority of our Thursday. So that's pretty much going to be the name of the game as we're going tonight into tomorrow. The lake effect slowly does start to wind down as we get into the day on Friday, but even still, areas near the tip of the Mitt going into eastern upper, a little bit more of the westerly component to the wind. So those lake effect snow bands, or at least snow belts, still talking about a little bit of snow even as we get into the day on Friday. So if you combined all of that as we're going late tonight, tomorrow, and even still throughout early Friday morning, where we do have the winter storm warnings in play, where we showed you earlier that pink shading on the map, that's going to be the best chance we do talk about to measure the snow in the double digits. However, like we usually haven't seen with the lake effect, I do think at least all of northern Michigan at least will stand the chance to see a few inches of snow. And with that blowing and drifting going on later tonight into tomorrow, even a few inches, it's not going to take much to reduce visibility and make it a little bit treacherous out there on the roadways, especially the back roads going later into tonight. Let's talk about the winds. They're coming in from the northwest as we go past the midnight hour tonight. Check out some of these gusts, especially closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline. Those numbers could be peaking back near 40 to even potentially even near 50 miles per hour. So your feels like temperatures, those are also going to be chilly. Check out later tonight, even areas near Cadillac could be feeling below zero as we go past the midnight hour. And we really don't have much more warmth for you as we get into the day tomorrow. Feels like numbers even by Thursday afternoon only back into the teens, if not single digits. So a lot to unpack there. Let's get your numbers out there right now. Everett, 30 degrees. Breeze out of the south-southwest right now at about 3. A little bit stronger with the wind. Manistee closer to the lake shore. Your current temperature right now coming in just above the freezing mark at 34 degrees. There's your numbers for tonight. It's chilly. Eastern upper tip of the Mitt, Kinross and the Sioux back near 18. Petoskey back near 23 as we get you into a Thursday. There's a look at your numbers. Western lower for tonight. A lot of teens on the map. Lake City and Cadillac, 17 degrees. Traverse City back near 24. There's your numbers. Eastern lower going a little bit farther inland. Some more teens. Mayo 18 tonight. West Branch back near 19. Central lower still a chilly overnight period. 18 into Clare. Gladwin back near 20. Hart closer to the lake shore. You're also talking about 20 degrees. And the numbers tomorrow only back in the 20s. But remember those feels like numbers, teens, if not even some single digits as we get into your Thursday. There it is quickly into the next 7 days. Lake effect chances Friday, but at least we get a little bit of a break from the snow, Adam, by the time we do reach the weekend.